Good afternoon po sa lahat. So today I will be discussing to you some tips or the 5-step guide in making instructional videos. So replacing your lectures with self-made videos can boost students' engagement and free you up to work with them directly. Okay, the first step is chunk instruction. So when it comes to video creation, research shows that learner engagement with videos begin to drop after the 6-minute mark, and it falls dramatically after 9 minutes. So it is essential to chunk objective or tasks and nothing more. So multiple short videos are better than a long video or one long video. So as you can see in your screen, normally kapag masyadong mahaba na yung video na pinapanood natin sa mga estudyante natin, ang tendency is makatulog na sila or mawala na yung focus nila dun sa video. So we make sure na hindi masyadong mahaba yung video na bibigay natin or ipe-present natin sa kanila. Sabi nga sa research, pag drop down ng 9 minutes, nawawala na yung focus ng bata. So, yun. The second step is the build video ready slide. So, study shows that the best instructional videos are highly focused, use visual clues to highlight the important information or the key information, and minimize the use of screen text. So, as you can see in your slide, number 2, ayaw ng mga bata na puro slide text yung nasa kanilang screen. So, normally, mas na-engage yung bata or nagpo-focus yung batang manood ng video natin kung ang mga maraming pictures or animated yung mga nilalagay natin, gumagalaw yung mga pictures, at saka maraming mga colored text na colored pictures na nilalagay natin. So there are many tools to create a strong instructional video. Our number 3 step is the record. So you should have your recording device. Ideally, you have a touchscreen tablet or a laptop. So kung wala naman tayong touchscreen tablet, meron tayong laptop with a high quality stylus. So this ensures that you can easily annotate visuals and show work. Handwriting also adds a nice personal touch, but if you have a non-touchscreen laptop or a tablet but no stylus, you can still make your own videos. So since sa Microsoft Office natin, meron naman tayong ginagamit na pen dyan at saka marker to highlight some important information that we have to present to our students while watching our videos. And another one is the screencasting program. So the best program like Explain Everything allow educator to pause and re-record specific segment of their videos easily. Which removes the pressure of getting a perfect take. So, yun nga, yung kailangan, kahit actually sa cellphone, pwede rin naman tayong mag-record eh. Kung medyo maganda yung ating cellphone, mas okay. So, mas madali tayong makapag-record. So, parang ano rin yan, we make a recording and then ita-transfer natin into editing para mas maganda. And of course, the last is the use of microphone. So this is actually often forgotten, but it is really helpful to have a pair of headphones or microphone with an external mic. These headphones help you to improve the sound quality of your voice and ensure that the video don't contain background noise. So normally, when we do the recording, kailangan hanap tayo ng area na tahimik, tapos walang background noise sa atin kasi nakaka-capture nila. So, pwede rin naman tayong gumamit ng yung normally headphone lang. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng para sa microphone natin or pag nagre-record tayo. Pwede rin naman tayong gumamit nung parang lapel mic na medyo mahaba yun, so we can move around while recording, or pwede tayong tumayo habang nagre-record. So those are the three important material when you do your recording video. So for our number 4, the enhanced engagement. So simply sitting and watching videos can lead students to lose focus. So as you can see in your screen, okay, the best instructional video should keep them actively engaged. So when we do the video presentation of our lesson, so we normally give questions to be answered by our students. So in this case, students will be engaged in watching the video. So research shows that when students take notes while answering the guided question or while watching the video, they retain a material better than students who watch passively. So embedding questions in your instructional videos can improve students' interaction and provide you with invaluable formative assessment data. So students should think or should always think of video watching as a task, as a task they should perform actively in order to learn. So hindi natin pwedeng basta na lang silang panoorin ng video para lang maubos yung oras nila or oras natin. Kailangan laging may may laman yung video na pinapanood natin at the same time, or yung pinapanood natin sa kanila. At the same time, dapat na may nare-retain na important information sa kanila tungkol dun sa video natin na pinapanood sa kanila. Okay, number 5, be yourself. So, perhaps the most important element of a strong video is authenticity. So, the most effective blended instruction isn't it pretty? It is personal. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes and make sure your authentic personality shines through. So, kailangan when we do our video recording or lesson video, kailangan may touch of authenticity yung trabaho natin. So, dapat alam ng bata, gawa to ni ma'am or ni sir kasi kumbaga, alam nila na ikaw yung gumawa ng video. So, research shows that video in which the instructor speaks in a natural conversation manner with an enthusiastic tone are the most engaging. So, lalo na kung maganda yung boses mo, nakakainganyo kang pakinggan. So, normally yon mas na-appreciate ng mga estudyante yon or ng mga bata natin. So, students really appreciate knowing that it is their actual teacher behind the video. So, pag narinig nila yung boses, alam nila na, uy, si ma'am yun, uy, si sir yung nasa video. Kahit hindi nila nakita yung name mo doon, alam nila na may tatak ka or alam nilang tatak ni sir yun, na trabaho ni sir yun or ni ma'am yun. So, learning to create a high-quality instructional video doesn't happen overnight. Hindi siya nangyayari ng isang buong araw lang or ng isang gabi lang. It requires continual trial, error, and innovation. So, kailangan nga natin siyang i-improve. Sabi nga, practice makes perfect. So, hindi tayo makakagawa ng perfect actually. Mahirap gawin yung perfect. Yung word na perfection ay parang masyadong mahirap gawin. But, since we do the practice, sabi nga, practice, and practice more, siguro we get close to that kind of perfection. So, at least we always do our best to make our video more engaging to our students. So, and since we believe that creating an instructional video or video lesson is what is best for our students, so maybe we can start planning, grab some recording software or some recording instruments that we have, and of course be yourself. Sabi nga, kailangan yung authenticity laging nandun, and have fun. So I guess this will be the last slide. So the next slide will be a summary of, or I will be presenting to you a short video clip to sum up what we had discussed today. So I hope you enjoy watching the video. So thank you and goodbye.
Instructional videos are powerful tools to enhance student learning at home. They allow students to learn at their own pace and free up time for teachers to support students individually. But too often, they lose their effectiveness because educators make common mistakes. Research has found that videos are often too long, too confusing, too unengaging. Avoid common pitfalls by following these 5 tips. The longer the video, the less likely students will pay attention. Research shows students start tuning out after about 6 minutes. Instead of having one long video, think about breaking a lesson into short segments. Too much text on screen can overwhelm students. Instead, use visual cues like arrows to indicate key concepts, and diagrams to help explain ideas. Students learn less when they listen passively. Throughout the video, encourage students to reflect and take notes. Check for understanding by incorporating questions and short quizzes. Organize your video into chapters. That way, students can find a section quickly when reviewing materials. Students will be more engaged if the video feels authentic. Use a casual tone and speak encouragingly. And remember to just be yourself. Make students feel like they are in your classroom.